Hello and welcome back to Steam It with Steve. Today we're going to move on to the next part of our Coding Combat quests. So we've just finished level number 6, so we're up to 7, the Kithgraph Librarian. So if we click on this guy down the bottom here, seek help from a friendly librarian. So we'll open this guy.
Code Combat.
And we should get a new thing. So we've got to say the password, move to the X. Most levels have hints that will help you when you're stuck. Click the next to scroll through the hints for a level. For this level, the next to find the password for the library door. So if we click start, looks very similar to the previous one. So we've got it's really trying to get us to use the hints menu in Coding Combat. So up the top here, does it give us any hints? No, the hint is to use the hints. So if we go up here to hints, most levels have hints, help when you're stuck. Click next to scroll through the hints. For this level, click next to find the password. So there we go. So looks like this. The password for the library door is hush, so we need to learn how to use the say. Heroes always access the same method, so this creates a speech bubble above the hero. So hero.say let me out, we'll put a little let me out above it, which is pretty self-explanatory. And then they're briefly talking about a thing called a string. So a string is a piece of text, and the way that we know that it's text is it's wrapped around in quotes. You might have also picked up on this, it also changes the color to green. So if we're going to say a text or anything that's going to be outputted, it must be in this green text, otherwise it's not recognized as a string. Okay? So if we go down here, what was it? Hush, wasn't it? So if we go hero.say, now if we just write hush in here, and we run that, just to show you a problem with that, we've missed the quotes around it. Okay, so down here, instead of just hush, we need to put the quotes, so therefore it changes it into green, which means it will run. So then if I go down here, we also want him to move right. And we want to move right too, so we'll go through the door. Oh, forgot my quotation mark. And off we go. Cool. So that's it for level number 7. Let's go back to the map. So we're now up here to level number 8 next.